What if a legendary 1970 Dodge Charger RT came back with modern HEMI power, a 6-speed manual, and a price tag of nearly $194,000? This is one of the most stunning Restomods you'll ever see. The 1970 Dodge Charger RT is already one of the greatest muscle cars ever built. But what happens when you take this American legend, preserve its timeless design, and infuse it with modern engineering, breathtaking craftsmanship, and HEMI performance? The result is this incredible 1970 Dodge Charger RT Restomod, a machine that perfectly bridges the golden era of muscle cars with today's driving experience. Valued at an astonishing $193,900, this Charger isn't simply restored, it's completely reimagined for enthusiasts who demand both classic style and modern capability. The moment this Charger comes into view, it commands attention. Finished in an elegant blue exterior, every curve of the legendary Coke bottle body design reflects light beautifully. Sitting above the body is a gorgeous white vinyl top that perfectly complements the paint, while the white RT rear stripe proudly announces its performance heritage. Authentic RT badging reminds everyone that this isn't an ordinary classic Charger. Then there are the famous hideaway headlights, one of the most recognizable design features ever placed on an American muscle car. Even standing still, this Charger looks ready to dominate the road. Beneath that iconic hood lies the heart of this incredible Restomod, a powerful 6.1-liter HEMI V8. Unlike the carbureted engines of decades past, this beast benefits from a Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection system, delivering smoother throttle response, easier cold starts, improved reliability, and modern drivability. The legendary HEMI roar remains, but now it's backed by contemporary performance technology that makes every drive effortless. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an exciting 6-speed manual transmission, giving the driver complete control over every gear change. Adding even more excitement is the famous pistol grip shifter rising proudly from the center console. Every shift feels mechanical, precise, and satisfying, reminding you why manual muscle cars continue to captivate driving enthusiasts. The hydraulic clutch offers a lighter, smoother pedal feel, making this high-performance machine surprisingly comfortable during both spirited drives and relaxed cruising. Helping transform all that HEMA power into forward motion is a durable 3.55-1 rear gear ratio paired with Dodge's legendary Sure Grip rear differential. Whether launching from a stoplight or accelerating onto the highway, both rear tires work together to maximize traction and unleash the Charger's full potential. With an estimated 425 horsepower, this Restomod offers the thrilling acceleration expected from a modern HEMI-powered machine while preserving the unmistakable character of a classic Mopar. Performance isn't just about horsepower. Handling has been completely modernized with a sophisticated aftermarket front suspension, triangulated rear suspension, and adjustable coil-over setup. These upgrades dramatically improve stability, cornering confidence, and overall ride quality. Combined with rack and pinion power steering, the Charger responds with precision that classic muscle cars rarely achieved in their original form. It delivers the confidence of a modern performance car while maintaining its vintage soul. Stopping power has also received serious attention. Up front are Wilwood performance brakes featuring drilled and slotted rotors, providing exceptional braking performance under demanding conditions. Supported by power brakes, every press of the pedal delivers reassuring stopping confidence, whether navigating city streets or enjoying open highways. It's a critical upgrade that perfectly complements the car's modern performance capabilities. Cooling is handled by a durable aluminum radiator, ensuring the HEMI engine remains comfortable even during extended drives or hot summer cruises. A completely new exhaust system produces a deep, aggressive rumble that announces the Charger's arrival long before it comes into view. Every startup delivers the unmistakable sound that muscle car enthusiasts dream about. The Charger rides on beautiful Billet Specialties wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial TC tires, measuring 215/70 R15 in the front, and it's a massive 295/50 R15 in the rear. The staggered setup gives this Restomod an aggressive stance while providing excellent grip. The wide rear tires emphasize the Charger's powerful rear-wheel drive personality and complete its intimidating appearance. Open the door and you're greeted by an interior that perfectly balances authenticity with refinement. Rich white vinyl bucket seats create a striking contrast against the black carpeting, while the wood grain center console adds warmth and sophistication. The factory-style steering wheel, classic gauges, and factory-style radio preserve the unmistakable 1970 Charger atmosphere. Modern air conditioning ensures every drive remains comfortable regardless of the weather, making this Restomod as enjoyable on long road trips as it is at weekend car shows. Look upward and you'll find a beautifully finished white vinyl headliner that complements the seats and vinyl roof outside. Even the trunk has been professionally finished, demonstrating the extraordinary attention to detail invested throughout this build. Every inch of the vehicle reflects careful craftsmanship and premium quality. Underneath, the excellence continues. The underside has been professionally painted black for a clean presentation, while a new gas tank, new hardware, and numerous fresh components ensure long-term reliability. This Charger isn't merely beautiful on top, it has been engineered to impress from every angle. Driving this Charger is an unforgettable experience. Turn the key, hear the HEMI come alive, press the clutch, grab the pistol grip shifter, and every mile becomes a celebration of American muscle car history. The modern suspension keeps the car planted, the upgraded steering inspires confidence, and the powerful brakes provide reassurance, allowing you to enjoy every ounce of performance with complete control. With a market value of $193,900, this 1970 Dodge Charger RT Restomod represents far more than a collectible automobile. It represents decades of automotive passion, expert craftsmanship, and engineering excellence. It captures everything enthusiasts love about the original Charger while eliminating many of the compromises associated with vintage muscle cars. It's bold, powerful, luxurious, and unforgettable. A masterpiece that honors the past while embracing the future. If there was ever a muscle car capable of delivering timeless style, modern performance, and pure driving excitement in one extraordinary package, this 1970 Dodge Charger RT Restomod is it. It's not just a classic, it is the ultimate evolution of an American icon.